What's the difference between adduser and useradd? I wonder, why are there these two commands on Debian Linux, with very similar names and functionality? This has always been confusing for me. Is any of them superior to another? Why aren't they merged into one? Is there any significant difference between them? Which one should I use? Or does it depend on a use case?
Useradd is native binary compiled with the system, but adduser is a Perl script which uses useradd binary in backend. Adduser is more user-friendly and interactive than its backend useradd. There's no difference in features provided.
The main advantage to adduser over useradd is dealing with system-level users. With adduser, the system-level users account when created puts a user directory in home for the system user where useradd does not automatically. If you read the man, they are essentially the same except for system-level users, and associated home directories are automatic. Adduser creates a /home/user directory automatically for system-level users, where there is not a provision in useradd, except if specified by M option. The other readings I have come across generically state that UID and GUID are assigned by accepted conformal Debian standards in adduser.
In a couple of Red Hat instances I checked, 4.9 from 2011 and 6.9 from 2017, adduser is simply an alias to useradd, not a Perl script. Here it is in Red Hat 6.9. The way I remember that useradd is the correct program is this: adding a user is just one operation in the CRUD spectrum. You also need modify and delete operations. Read is presumably covered by viewing /etc/password. And so, the programs are named user, useradd, usermod and userdel respectively. I suppose the alternative user naming convention, adduser, moduser and deluser, these don't exist, could also work. But it would be slightly more awkward, for a reason I cannot express clearly at the moment. Smile.
One significant difference I ran into, and did not see in an answer here, is that useradd system seems to imply shell/bin/bash, while adduser system implies shell/user/spin/knowledge-in, which is what I wanted. But I also wanted no home directory, which is the default with useradd but not with adduser, so I could either use useradd like this, or /bin/false is also popular for no shell, which leads to, for example, the following entry in /etc/password. Or use adduser like this, which leads to, for example, the following entry in /etc/password. Note that there are also very different automatic assignment of GUIDs. Useradd seems to pick them counting downwards from 999, while adduser counts upwards from 100 for the UID and uses 65,534 for the GUID, which seems to mean no group. In fact, useradd also creates a group, c/etc/group, while adduser doesn't. So for me, I will stick with adduser having learned all those facts. Source: tested on Raspberry Pi OS, Debian Buster based.
Cloud Telegram, Buster